Hey everyone, if Roblox keep crashing on your iPhone, here are the quick fixes you can try. Let's get started. First, force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom and remove Roblox from recent apps, then reopen it again. This refreshes the app and clears temporary glitches. Number 2 is check your internet connection. Roblox may crash if the connection is weak. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. 3 is update the Roblox app. Go to your app store and search for Roblox and tap update if available. Using an outdated version may cause crashes. 4. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart clears system errors that may be affecting the game. And 5 is free up storage. Go to your settings and click General, then select iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, apps like Roblox may crash. Delete unwanted apps, photos, or videos. And 6 is Update iOS. Go to Settings and click General, then tap Software Update. Install the latest update so Roblox runs smoothly. And lastly, reinstall Roblox. If it still crashes, delete Roblox and install it again. And this clears corrupted files that may cause the issue. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.